Welcome back. Andrei Minkov here with the Trademark Factory. In this video, you'll learn what cannot be protected as trademarks. As I explained in the previous videos of the series, and make sure you watch them first, the function of trademarks is to distinguish products and services of one business from identical or similar products or services of another business. What this means is that trademarks are not designed to grant their owners monopoly over the products or services themselves. This means three things. You can't claim the generic name for your product to be your trademark. You can't register trademarks that describe important characteristics of your products and services. And you can't trademark the functionality of your product. Indeed, if you sell Wizmos, you can't stop others from also selling Wizmos by claiming that Wizmo is your trademark. Remember, the function of a trademark is to allow you to help customers find your Wizmos among Wizmos offered by your competitors, not to allow you to corner the market for Wizmos altogether. This is often referred to as using the trademark as an adjective as opposed to as a noun. Again, remember which, not what. You should also make sure that your once original trademark does not become generic, in which case it will stop functioning as a trademark. This was the case, or almost the case, with aspirin, Kleenex, Xerox, Thermos, Jacuzzi, Linoleum, and several others. This is where you should be very careful about your marketing strategy. From the marketing perspective, nothing can be better than millions of customers using your brand name as in, I need a Kleenex, or let me Google that for you. However, from the trademark law perspective, such use should be discouraged because it may lead to the death of your trademark rights. Instead, you should promote the use of, I need a Kleenex tissue, or let me use Google search engine for you. Of course, most small business owners would say that it's a great problem to have, but even though too much fame may not seem like a problem at the early stages of your business, this should become a consideration as you grow your business into something that will have resaleable assets. Also, you can't register as a trademark a word or a phrase that describes an important feature or characteristics of your goods or services. This is what they call a clearly descriptive trademark. For example, you can't trademark color for printers, or safe for cars, or juicy for apples, or sweet for ice cream, or perfectly clean for dry cleaning services. All good apples could be described as juicy, and all ice cream as sweet. These are natural characteristics of the products. If you were allowed to register these words as trademarks, no other apple sellers or ice cream vendors could use them to promote their goods. This would be unfair. So the rationale behind this is to allow others to use such descriptive words in the marketplace. Similarly, if the shape of your product is driven by certain functionality, you're not allowed to claim this shape as your trademark, simply because this would give you the monopoly on the functionality, which is a proper subject of patent protection but not trademark protection. The most famous examples of when companies unsuccessfully tried to claim trademark protection over the functionality of their products in Canada was in connection with Lego blocks and the shape of a 3-head electric razor. In both these situations, the court found that what the companies really were trying to protect was a monopoly to make the product, not to distinguish their product from similar products of others. In the next video, you'll learn more about limitations of trademarks. You will learn that trademarks don't give an absolute monopoly over words and images. But for now, if you have any questions regarding trademarks, copyright, or other intellectual property issues, you know where to find me. Call us, email us, or go to our website at trademarkfactory.ca. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.